Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2024 Mechanical Engineering paper question number 40. Steady incompressible flow of air takes place through an adiabatic converging diverging nozzle as shown in the figure. For a particular value of pressure difference across the nozzle, a stationary normal shock wave forms in the diverging section of the nozzle. If E and F denote the flow conditions just upstream and downstream of the normal shock, respectively, which of the following statements is are true? So this is your normal shock, this is E and this is F. Option A, static pressure at E is lower than static pressure at F. Option B, density at E is lower than density at F. Option C, Mach number at E is lower than Mach number at F. Option D, specific entropy at E is lower than specific entropy at F. So across shock static pressure increases because kinetic energy changes to pressure energy. So statement 1 is true. Static pressure E is lower than static pressure at F. So across shock static pressure increases. And the density at B at E is lower than the density at F, because at approach shock the velocity decreases and continuity equation is satisfied. So V2 is velocity after shock and V1 is velocity, U2 is velocity after shock and U1 is velocity before shock. As this decreases, so ρ2 has to increase to satisfy this. So V is density at E is lower than density at F, so it means after shock the density will increase. So B is also true. And Mach number at E is lower than Mach number at, because across shock the Mach number increases because velocity decreases and temperature increases, so Mach number is your velocity by gamma RT. So here the Mach number is less than this. So Mach number decreases because velocity decreases and temperature increases. So C is false. So C is false. And shock is an irreversible phenomenon. So specific entropy will increase across the shock. At F, the shock will increase. Entropy will increase and so the entropy at F will be more as compared to E. So answer is A, B and D. C is not true. Mach number will decrease across shock, but here it is given that the M is lower than MF, so it is wrong. So answer is A, B and D.